Hi, this is Shah with LoveToCode.com. Welcome back to another tutorial on Java JDBC. In this video, we're going to learn how to build a Swing GUI that connects to a database. And actually, I'm making a small digression from my previous video series. One of the subscribers requested this special video of how to build a GUI and also have it connect to a database. So we'll actually cover this. This is actually the final application that you'll build once you complete this video series. So it's a Swing GUI application and it connects to a database. And I'm basically using the existing application I had in the previous set of videos for the employees. So in this case, what we'll do is we'll have just a text box where they can enter the employee's name and then they can search for that employee. So in this example here, I just have, I'll type in the name of public. So we note that we have one person here for public, do a search, and it returns that one person. I can just make this list empty, this field empty, and hit search, and it'll give me everything. I can enter one more person like Thomas, and just like the first couple of letters of Thomas, and then do a search, and it'll make the search happen accordingly. So this is the application that we'll have. I'll show you how to build this out piece by piece. Now also what we need to do is kind of take a step back and look at the big picture. How are we going to build this application? What's the architecture? So effectively on the front end, we'll have the Java Swing GUI. We're going to communicate with something called an employee data access object. So data access object, or DAO for short, is really just a helper class. This class encapsulates all the JDBC code that allows us to communicate with the database. So instead of our Swing GUI connecting directly to the database, the Swing GUI will use this helper class, employee DAO, and this will connect to the database on our behalf. So for the development process, we're going to break this up into multiple videos. We want to keep the videos short and manageable and allow you to focus on a specific aspect of the application. So we'll start with creating a data access object, then we'll move to designing a GUI, then we'll cover event handling, and finally we'll wrap up with populating the GUI list grid JTable. So I'd like for you to follow along with this video series, make note of the video numbers 12.2.3 and so on. In the video description below, I have a link to the actual playlist. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move forward to the next video, 12.2, creating the data access object. So I'll see you there.